KSHB 41 News reporter Megan Abunda shows us the big undertaking to get downtown cleaned up.
The crews dealing with weather tonight first had to strategize here. A massive cleanup process of multiple city blocks, working hard hours after the parade. The confetti still glitters under the street sweeper lights.
The cleanup is actively started.
From a crowd this size, the city knew what was left behind would be a challenge.
We're up for the challenge, and that's the least we can do for a Super Bowl victory.
4 blocks, streets and sidewalks were littered with trash. Hundreds of employees from Parks and Rec, Public Works, the Water Department, and solid waste crews worked on not only answering the cleanup call, but the setup and the safety precautions and barriers, too.
Chiefs Kingdom's a big area, and we need to be here to keep everybody safe and enjoy the parade as safely as they can and have a good time.
It feels good to be protecting the citizens, and make sure everybody okay.
They learned from the Royals World Series and the last Super Bowl parade that for them, it too would be a team effort.
We're veterans at this now.
Dozens of backpack blowers and street sweepers of all different sizes took over.
This is the type of work we like to do. We like to have this type of fun. It's a challenge for us, no doubt, but, it doesn't happen all the time, so we're up for the challenge.
While they raced against the clock.
At 11 p.m., we switch over to snow operations.
A big thank you to law enforcement, city workers, safety teams, and cleanup crews to make this a memory of a lifetime for hundreds of thousands of people. In Kansas City, I'm Megan Abundis, KSHB 41 News.